How to print Pandas data frame without index. I want to print the whole data frame, but I don't want to print the index. Besides, one column is datetime type. I just want to print time, not date. The data frame looks like. I want it print as.
The line below would hide the index column of data frame when you print.
To retain pretty print use.
Or possibly. This works because df.to_CSV returns a string when a save file path isn't provided. See docs.
If you want to pretty print the data frames, then you can use tabulate package. Specifically, the show index equals false, as the name says, allows you to not show index. The output would look as follows.